Hey guys, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we made a stained glass window for my kitchen, and that's pretty much it. Watch this video until the end and you'll see how stunningly beautiful it turned out, what the whole process was like, and what a stained glass window is in general. Let's start with the fact that I made a sketch on ordinary paper. It took a long time, and my mother constantly badgered me about when I was going to do it. Finally draw it. Eventually, for some reason, I settled on the idea that I wanted to depict Japanese fish, Japanese themes in general, and nature. It all feels very close to me. Generally, I got it done quickly. We went to the workshop and picked out some glass pieces. Here I can explain to you why we chose them. It's astonishing. The bright colors and the overall color scheme of this work. The truth is that since childhood, my creative work has been very focused on coloring, with a strong preference for bright, saturated colors. I think it reflects my character's strength and how I see the world. Alright, moving on. We got the glass pieces and marked the ones we wish to cut. My mother just marked a flower with an inexplicable cross. I'll explain what that means later. Remember this. In general, with a special utility from the Polish language, we cut the glass, then we broke it, doing this with each of the elements. Occasionally, we would trim it by grinding. After that, we compiled all the glass pieces. There were two stencil sketches, one we used for cutting, the other for arranging everything. Well, smash it, and we made such a flower to later bake it and make the glass more embossed. That's how we came up with it. That's how we devised it. Overall, the process is very relaxing, very interesting. You just cut with all the power of your hand, as if all... You can come to release hatred in this matter. As I am a student of the painting faculty, I also have a specialty of my choice, and my choice fell on stained glass wall painting, that is, frescoes, murals. Generally, I really like it. I do this, I hope I will continue to do it. For some reason, these things are very close to me. Flock of art, old techniques, masters. In general, look, after we have cut off all these things glass, they need to be trimmed, because in order for all this to look beautiful together, that is, after fastening it with a special edging to the iron rods, you will understand what we are talking about. If it is not yet clear, all the glass needs to be processed. Process the edges so they're about as thick as a chunky felt tip pen with some space in between to glue them together later. Fasten these rods, like the black ones between the glass pieces, gluing them together with space in between. We need to make such a distance between the glasses. Here we're making a tail, choosing the glass pieces. Wow, what a thrill. I absolutely love colors. Light and spectrum, and basically, that color is just a wavelength, right? I believe you probably know that. This isn't some video with new and interesting facts. Anyway, take a look. We'll show you what it looked like before processing, before we created such gaps between them. To be honest, this is the direct processing itself, grinding the edges, but where does this glass go? It flies into your eyes, just into your neck. In general, it flies very cool. So you definitely need to work with special equipment, special even in gloves, I don't know, in everything you can if you love yourself. After we did all this, we of course wiped it because water is supplied during grinding. Look at how beautifully we made a part. We polished everything, the fish, the tail, all the little details. Then we put it together, admired it, and then we returned to the flower we wanted to make. Special techniques are used for this, the secret of which remains with the film company. Generally speaking, there are an incredible number of techniques and varieties of what can be done with glass. Therefore, glass is a massive space for creativity. It's more than just a bottle, it's truly an eco-material, which means there will be no waste, no surplus materials. Do you understand? All glass can be put to use, there won't be any wasted or thrown away. Everything can be made from glass, you can invent a lot of things. There won't be any glass you can't use, it's a non-waste material, which is pure joy for an artist. On one of these pieces of glass, I've etched my initials, Tanastasia Turkovic. We've polished all this glass. After we have polished them, we applied a copper foil edging so they can be soldered together. It's a very relaxing and enjoyable process, not just work, but something that gives immense pleasure. The end result is just beautiful. It's impossible not to admire it. Vitraux are the coolest. Have you noticed that in churches the sunlight falls and the entire surface upon which the light falls, it's exaggerated, it's illuminated by this color? How beautiful it is that it looks like you're coming from the street, some kind of colored glass, fine. But as soon as you get inside, you get this power of light because you're inside. It's dark there. The light falls. Even if you're a non-believer or churches are for you. Well, I mean, you just ignored them and suddenly you go and see. Be sure to come in. It's art, it's culture, it's history. That's the way in general we framed everything, bordered it. And if such words exist, we start soldering, glue it with a special thing without any idea what kind of video. This is not training, it's just at all, guys. This was not done by professionals, it was done by me. My mother, thanks of course to a special pre-workshop. To be more precise, this is how we solder all these parts together. First one side, first small pieces together, then that's it. It's not a cool process at all, guys. It's just that everything is in one side. Here we equalize, then turn over and solder the other side. You look at the holes, cute, well, of course. The main frame of this glass, here the master makes smooth edges so that you can insert a real one rod, twig. Oh, I saw such fish in Paris and also in Japanese park in Brazil. It seems to me in general these are some kind of popular fish. Well, that is on purpose so that they are cast there. That's how they inserted it. To be honest, it was difficult. I didn't do it. It was inserted without me because I'm generally dead. Well, they fixed it again with the same technique. Nothing new. Everything is very simple with a soldering iron. That's it. Uh-huh. Well, don't feed them. Well, we washed the wind. I like that I comment. And so what is visible? Cleaned. Now you can never guess what we will do. We will oxidize here this silver spike. Here is our model prepared. And wipe, yes, mom, hello. And so we started painting. We have a color. We decided experiment. Why not? On one side was a type of orange or ginger, and on the other black. As you see, we washed and cleaned all of it again. This is how it appears. These are reliefs with flowers. I love flowers. After we soldered this, it looks like water. Well, it's delightful. Look at this beauty when the sun is there. Well, it's simply unbelievable, guys. Thank you that you watched this video till the end. I hope it was interesting, cool. If there's a chance, don't forget about the ancient art. Explore, learn, create beauty.